Hello and welcome back, guys. So today we are going to visit my friend here in Bucharest for just a simple oil change, filter replacement for the GTI. We haven't posted anything because So besides the oil change, I need to fix this hot start. It's really annoying, especially when it's winter. Let me actually show you. Some of you already know we've installed this PCV fix, but unfortunately, let's put it like that, I'm not a big fan of the burn oil smell coming from both my engine and exhaust. The only downside about that is the boost gauge vacuum. It's going to be removed for this time because we need the whole thing back. We cannot use this thing over here, but we've ordered an adapter for that, and we can use both the OEM PCB and boost vacuum, and a lot of other changes coming to the engine because we need to fix it first. So we are going to change your oil. What? Oh my god, this is taking forever. Thank you guys, finally. Okay guys, so the brake rotors arrived, and of course we've changed the brake pads too. We've actually managed to find like a PCV adapter, so we don't need to drill a hole in the intake. So yeah, anyways, I'm really excited about the new brakes. They feel way better than the previous ones, the stock ones. So we are planning to upgrade to a big brake kit maybe this year. I'm not really sure. We need to replace handling parts so we can install the new coilovers. After that, yeah, I think I'm going to focus on fixing the paint, some wheels. So we are going to get this ready for some car events. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.